What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another throwback video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content coming soon. Just giving you guys these throwback videos for right now. This was a 1997 Chevy Silverado. This was actually a good truck. Nice body it had. The tires were decent. Excuse me. It was only it was not the V8, it was the V6. And as you can see, the window was busted and they made some kind of concoction here. I bought it just like this from IAAI. I paid $1,500 for this truck. Now the deal breaker was that this truck did have 300,000 miles on it, but like I just told you guys, it wasn't the original motor. These trucks come with the Vortec V8s, and this one was I think it's 4.3 V6. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys later on in the video, but as you can see, the truck was very nice, very clean, nice little work truck. I winded up selling this truck for $23.50. Made some good money off of it. I sold it actually the same day I bought it actually. As you can see, the tires are pretty good and everything. This was a nice little old truck, even though it wasn't the V8. So someone had swapped the motor, which I don't blame them, because the other motor did have 300,000 miles on it. Because like I said, this truck had 300,000 miles on it. But these trucks usually last for a long time. You know, them Vortec motors, those pickups, and these Chevy pickups, they usually last for a long time. But yeah, man, as you can see, the bed was nice and clean. Man, this truck was very nice. I actually thought about keeping this truck and using it for a work truck, but you know, it was the V6, so I didn't even want to mess with it. But yeah, man, this truck was very nice, very clean. Make sure you guys, just like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Again, we are almost there. I'm just cranking the truck up here, and I want to go ahead and show you guys the motor. I'll show you guys the motor in a minute and show you guys that this boy had a V6. Here we go, right here. That boy cranked right up and everything, man. There was nothing wrong with this truck at all. I'll go ahead and show you guys this motor, and it was the V6. A lot of people didn't like this truck because it had 300,000 miles on it, but I still was able to get $23.50 for it. So there's the V6 motor. Again, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Got a lot of content coming soon for you guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.